Gather. To bring or collect things or people together in one place. We will gather at the park this evening. Gather the toys and put them in the box. I gathered some flowers from the garden. Evacuate. To move people from a dangerous place to a safer one. The town was evacuated because of the wildfire. The police told us to evacuate the area. Recognize. To know someone or something because you have seen or met them before. I didn't recognize you at first with your new haircut. He recognized his old friend in the photo. Simultaneously. At the same time. Two trains arrived at the station simultaneously. The children laughed simultaneously at the joke. She is cooking and talking on the phone simultaneously. Eavesdrop. To secretly listen to someone else's conversation. He was eavesdropping while we were talking. She was eavesdropping through the window. Barefoot. Without shoes or footwear. My feet got dirty because I was barefoot. He walks barefoot in the house all the time. Bask. To relax or lie down and enjoy the warmth, especially from the sun. I am basking in the sun at the beach right now. I spent the afternoon basking at the beach. Wander. To walk or move around aimlessly. I was wandering around the park. Sometimes, I wander around the city just to relax. Insert. To put something into something else. Please insert your card into the machine. Please insert the plug into the socket. Durable. To something that is strong and long-lasting. This chair is old but still durable. I bought a durable backpack for school. Alms. People were giving alms outside the temple. The beggar thanked them for the alms. Embrace. To hug someone. I just want a warm embrace and nothing more. After the game, the players embrace each other. Cram. To fill something tightly or to pack. Don't cram too many people in the car. He crammed his clothes into the suitcase before the trip. Cram. To study intensively in a short period of time before an exam. He was cramming for the final exam all night. I hate to cram, but I have no time.